Hey guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there, welcome back to 164 scale racing. Then I'm gonna give you a little preview of this crate full of old and new 5 packs I picked up. Gonna be doing some unboxing, some opening later on, some individual videos. Figure I'd give you a little brief description of what we got. We got a Hot Wheels City right here. We got a HW Flames. You got a Robo Zoo gift pack super plaquette coffret or something like that. Gonna be pretty interesting to open up. Got a Harley Davidson. We're doing unboxing on that one. Got truck stoppers. Got another HW Flames. Got another gift pack super paquette coffret or whatever that is. Got a gift pack of World Racers. Got a gift pack of just a gift pack. Got some interesting cars in there though. Yeah, I can't wait to open them all up. And then we got another HW Flames. So yeah, would be pretty interesting to unbox these. Check them out individually. Please subscribe so you'll know when to come back. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.